Get all this trash out of the truck. Gosh dang, Calvin. It's an early one this morning, y'all. It is an early one. It is a frosty one, too. Holy moly. Gosh, y'all, it's 4 a.m. We are tired this morning, but we are going to get after him. I'm gonna wake up and we're gonna get on after him. Big time. I'm up. We got A, babe.
Morning, y'all. Welcome to the guidehouse.
She's clean right now. Colt.
Buenos dias, mi amigos.
That's the A team right there. There's the B team.
B squad.
Are you bringing an extra gun for the client?
Yeah, damn client always steals my guns. I'm bringing him an extra one.
Make sure she jams.
I'll throw some dirt in it.
Throw some dirt in it. Oh Lord.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go then.
Come on, you just said the house clean. You just trash a lot of fucking mud in yours.
Oh, I know. I gotta clean that up. Yeah, my boots were muddy. Golly. All right, Colt. Good luck, man.
Hey, see you. Good luck to you.
Oh, it's a cold one this morning. 20 degrees, y'all. 20 degrees. 20 mile per hour wind day, y'all. Lordy, lordy. Calvin's pulling the big rig today. We got Whitey with us, and we got Avery. She's tinkling right now. Oh, it's a little bit muddy out here. Just a just a touch muddy here. Alrighty.
Whoa, blue shells. Hard way.
Shoot him on the right, guys.
On the right side, kill him, boys, kill him.
Hey, shot.
I'll take that one.
Very good.
Why didn't they want that one? A little foggy overcast has really brightened the blinds and us up. Everything else is wet, we're dry, so we kind of, they're picking us out just a touch. So wish this fog would lift, a little sun come out. Dang, that'd be nice. Really put some shadows on us, but we're doing all right. We've got 30 guns out here, so it's you know, kind of hard to hide 30 people, but let's hope we make it happen.
Make some undertones, look. Make some undertones.
Take them, boys! Yeah, baby!
Good shooting, boys.
Woo!
Shooting, yeah.
Good rain out.
Hey, coming back.
Coming back.
Wait. Kill it off the end, kill it.
Ah, nice shot! Woo! That a baby.
Yeah, dude.
That's undertones.
Yes.
Light goose calling today, baby. Light, and they love it. That a baby, G-force. This thing is a smackarooski right here, baby. Wow. Love it. Shoot those two.
Right in front, on the right.
Nice. Take it, boys! Right out front, out front, out front! Get it! Nice shooting.
Oh my
Good Lord, boys.
God.
Big rain out.
Oh my God.
Get back there and load up! Load up!
Get down, boys, get down!
Are we going?
Load up!
Wow. This way. Out front. Out front. Damn it. More coming. Maybe hit them with the flag, I don't know.
Yeah, I might want to.
See what these big flocks do. Real still, guys. Go take them, boys! "35, 40 yards, I mean, damn it. Wish they'd get a little closer, but...
Dude, that wind picked up at the worst.
I did, didn't it? It did push him out a little bit, for sure.
Another runner out there.
Yeah. Take your gun, or maybe he'll send his dog.
Yeah.
Ooh, wee.
Jesus, cold. You know, these freaking boots are like 575 pounds.
Up front. Oh my. Everyone down? Everyone... Here we go. Real still. Take off! Oh, them close ones got out?
Should have.
I think they'll work in here. Take 'em, boys! Get that one. The old swipe over shooting, baby.
I like it.
Called them over in the middle, get them down.
Here. Coming right at us.
Gonna get him? Dog will get him. He can't fly. Another one.
They're trying though. You got a bird in his mouth.
The Colt Roth with the hammer fist.
Woo! Sorry, Colt, I want to help you, but I can't feel my head.
Just get down.
Get down, get down, get down. Bang these. Bang them, boys, bang them.
Oh, good shot on the way down, boy. I think it's gonna help keeping.
I just fucked that one up.
Did you? Dude,
Do what?
you shot that?
Yeah.
I think it's just gonna help us closer we're getting shooting them.
Yeah.
Good, solid groups.
Yeah.
I mean,
We're literally 20 away, probably.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, almost everyone has 4.
Don't play with my heart like that.
I'm serious. We're over 100. Dead ass. We're easily over 100. We got these. Take them, boys. This thing is just
Very
holding
good.
them. Good shooting, boys. Good shooting, boys.
Got one fresh.
Ooh, look at this guy. Wait. Everybody stay still. Stay still. Stay still.
Shoot him if you can. Shoot him if you can.
Shoot him!
Yeah.
Good shot!
Nice shot.
All right, let's get a solid count, boys.
Yeah, 100%.
Maybe those ones that I'll grab.
This is absolutely insane.
Nice
30 guns
headshot.
going off is beautiful. I love it, love it.
The weather outside is frightful.